Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Dacorm Massage Gun. Deep tissue massage gun. The good thing about this one is that it specifically targets the specific body parts, penetrates very deeply and works on those particular muscles, nerves by generating more oxygen flow through the heavy dose vibration it provides. Although this is a professional grade massager guys, but I think this is really good to stack at home. Like if you need like a generic massager for family as well, this is great. It comes with like 10 attachments and each of them caters to either a specific kind of a body part or a specific kind of a pain, something which you would use to deal with while recovering from an injury or like suffering from chronic pain. But I would also consider it like a wellness kind of a gadget. So at times you just need some muscle relaxation. I think it would be nice to use it like in the evening when you are watching TV, or on days you just feel like certain kind of soreness because you worked a lot on the laptop or your mobile phone. Then again, the gadgets like these come handy. Guys, I also like the fact that it comes in like nice sleek a zipper bag like this, so it can, according to me, also become like a nice gift item. Guys, using it is very simple. You just charge it, switch on the power button from here, easy to use. Attach the attachment, whatever body part you are referring to, come to the LCD screen monitor, and with the help of your thumb, finger, you can just increase or decrease the speed, the intensity of vibration that you want, and yeah, start massaging. So guys, it has 7 speed modes. And overall guys, you receive like 10 massage heads, attachments like of these sorts. Each of these have a different function, so it's very important to figure out first. So there is this very easy to understand user manual that you get, so it really clearly mentions what kind of attachment caters to what kind of pain or what specific body part. For example, this one right here, this specifically caters to neck or the spine. Then we have this thing, the curvaceous one. So this is for like arms, thighs and waist as well. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.